what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I received my giveaway prizes from KADS Nail Art, and I picked 2 nail polishes from their latest nail polish collection. I picked chocolate velvet and grape jam. Now let's swatch and try out chocolate velvet first. This nail polish is a reflective glitter nail polish. I'm first swatching it with 2 desk lamps as lighting. Then for the second coat. Now I'm applying the third coat. Now let's swatch it under my cell phone camera flash. As you can see, the reflective glitters are now showing its real effect. Now for the second coat. And I'm applying the third coat. By the way, let me tell you that these 2 are my first ever reflective glitter nail polishes, and I'm super impressed on how they look. Second we have is grape jam. Swatching this first with 2 desk lamp as lightings. Now for the second coat. Then I'm applying the third coat. Now let's swatch it with my cell phone camera flash. Now for the second coat. And for the third coat. This shade is super stunning, right? This shade is not only reflective glitter, but it's also a flaky nail polish. By the way, it was advised to apply 3 coats for full opacity, but I think 2 coats is enough. They look super great and really different with different kinds of lightings. These nail polishes are also fast drying, and I'm loving their long neck bottle caps. Thank you so much KADS Nail Art for these amazing giveaway prizes. And that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!